The specific production process starts when the new components are ready. Tasks are assigned and open questions clarified first of all. This is the only way to a meticulous and efficient assembly. The basic design of the modular system marks the starting point of the manufacturing process. Gradually, more and more components are added. The completely new part is also exactly integrated. Important components are accurately installed and carefully fitted so that everything is in its place and runs smoothly. Highest precision is needed, particularly for the moving elements. Assembling the device head with the integrated universal control unit constitutes the next manufacturing step. Very careful work is also required when integrating the transport units. Not only should they guide the bottles reliably, but also rotate them specifically. Only in this way can each of them be inspected continuously. Wiring follows the integration. The cables are precisely fastened, neatly laid, and carefully connected to the HEUFT EasyBus interface, strictly according to plan and with a great deal of precision work. The device is equipped with a moving terminal holder, the gooseneck, for the highest level of operating convenience. It is exactly incorporated and screwed down in a combined effort afterwards. The support for the display is fastened to the arm. The big touchscreen for the self-explanatory HEUFT Navi-user interface is placed on it immediately. The assembly of the new development has now been completed.